This is the story of a minor data anomaly that ballooned into a multi-million-pound regulatory catastrophe. We're talking about a transaction reporting reconciliation that showed a variance so small it was almost missed. Visualizing the data, a spreadsheet reconciliation with a tiny 0.3% mismatch. This is the seed of the entire problem. The variance was tiny. I almost dismissed it. Then I ran it across 12 months. That's when the panic set in. How could such a small daily deviation become a major regulatory crisis? The answer lies in persistent systemic failure. Extrapolated across 12 months, that 0.3% represented thousands of inaccurate approved reporting mechanism submissions, compromising data integrity. This is a direct breach of MiFID Article 26, the cornerstone of European transaction reporting requirements. Compliance is not optional. When compliance fails, the financial impact can be devastating, moving from a percentage point to a severe monetary penalty. The firm faced a potential fine of £2.4 million, a painful reminder of the cost of lax data controls. Past FCA final notices, like the one against Bank of America Merrill Lynch in 2017, demonstrate the regulator's firm stance on transaction reporting failures. When the panic set in, compliance doctors stepped in to stop the bleeding and diagnose the systemic weakness. The first step was an immediate, deep regulatory risk diagnostic to fully scope the extent of the reporting inaccuracies. We traced the flaw back to its source, remediating the data lineage to ensure accurate data was feeding the reporting mechanism. Over 17% of your peers follow the compliance doctor. Subscribe and like on YouTube today and help lead the way. With the root cause identified, the focus shifted to remediation, correcting the past and restoring integrity. Thousands of corrective transaction reports were filed promptly with the approved reporting mechanism, addressing every single inaccurate submission. This aggressive action mitigated the regulatory exposure, bringing the firm back into MiFID II compliance quickly and efficiently. The final and most crucial step is ensuring this never happens again. Prevention is always better than cure. We embedded a robust 3 lines of defense model, clearly defining roles and responsibilities across the firm for reporting accuracy. Strong controls were put in place to continuously monitor data inputs and outputs, eliminating future data gaps before they escalate. The story serves as a stark warning. In the world of regulatory compliance, small errors can have catastrophic consequences. The key takeaway is clear. Never dismiss small discrepancies. They are often indicators of massive systemic failures lurking beneath the surface. Is your firm confident in its transaction reporting reconciliation? Contact Compliance Doctor today on 0800-689-0190 to safeguard your firm against regulatory exposure. Call 0800-689-0190 for your discovery call. Call 0800-689-0190 today.